All right, welcome back. This is part 3 of lesson 6.7. We're going to do a couple more problems here. I'm not going to do the graphing. I'll leave that up to you now that you've seen a couple ways on how to graph using the calculator. We're just going to run through the problems and talk about the solutions. So statistics here. Companies A and B each have 100 employees. If Company A increases its workforce by 31 employees each month, and Company B increases its workforce by an average of 10% each month, when will Company B have more employees than Company A? So let's come up with the two equations. Company A, Y is going to equal 100 original employees plus 31 times X, adding 31 every month. Company B is exponential. Y equals 100 times 1.1 to the X power. That's a 10% increase. If you go into the calculator, set up some minimum and maximum values, and then graph it, and then trace it, you're going to find that at about 21 months, Company B has more. Okay? As we go through and trace those. All right, let's look at the next one, this finance problem. It says two factory workers, A and B, each earn $24 per hour. If employee A receives a 75-cent per hour raise each year, and employee B receives a 1.9% raise each year, when will employee B make more per hour than employee A? So again, we've got employee A and B. Employee A, Y is going to be equal to, makes $24 an hour plus 0.75x, the raise he gets every year. Employee B equals 24 times 1.019. That's the 1.9% raise per X years. Okay. If we do the math and we do some tracing, you'll see that employee B will have a greater salary than employee A after 50 years. Not very many people work 50 years at a single job. So really, having the setup that employee A has is going to be better. But also, if you need to know, it's going to be at 50 years, it's going to make about $61 per hour. So that's going to be the salary. Okay. So you can see which one of these would probably be better. It's probably going to be employee A is going to do better in the long run, just because it's going to go up at a little bit faster pace, at least for those first 50 years, which is the more reasonable of the two.